Thank you very much for joining me again. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the one cool feature in iOS 18, which is about calculator. So let's go directly to the calculator. So when you open the calculator, you'll see this interface, which is the basic calculator. If you go the bottom left corner, you'll find this calculator sign. Click on it and you'll find these three options: basic, scientific, and math notes. So just click on the math notes and this screen will come out, which is notes taking, which is a math note taking. When you click on this thing, you'll see this is a math. You can take the notes, but here is a thing. When you click on this pen, so look at this. When you can take the easy notes here. Let's say we go 2 plus 2, and when you ask for the answer, it will give you the answer here right there. See, then 3 plus 3 is equal to, and it's gonna give you the answer right here. Like and subscribe my channel for more.